Before I start my presentation, I would like to thank ChemAxon for giving us this opportunity. We Patcore and ChemAxon has over 15 years of long partnership. As a local distributor, we have delivered ChemAxon product to Japanese market. At the same time, we have developed our own chemoinformatics softwares using various types of ChemAxon toolkits. An example is a crash checker. It is a chemicals management tool that checks whether a certain chemical structure is controlled according to chemicals regulatory laws. In the global market, the product is licensed to ChemAxon and is called the compliance checker. Today, I will introduce our latest solution for MMP analysis, the Transformer 2. This tool is designed to utilize in-house compound database effectively for drug discovery research. Pharma companies and research institutions must have large compound activity datasets. They are collected through ELN or compound registration system. A lot of time, money, and human resources are invested for collecting data. Transformer 2 utilizes such company information asset to generate transformation rules and offer easy-to-use matched molecular pair analysis. As you have already known, MMP analysis has been an important tool for chemists to get insight about molecular designing. It compares properties of two molecules having a slight difference in substitute structures and analyze how that difference in structures contribute to difference in properties. Using MMP analysis, chemists can get insight about designing molecular structures to get preferred potency in drug discovery. This kind of data analysis is generally done by computational chemists, and they pass analysis results to medicinal chemists. At this stage, however, the problems happen. From med chemist's point of view, whose main work is not for data analysis, it is difficult to interpret analysis result. It is not sure suggested chemical structures are reliable enough and worth spending time for testing and synthesis. Many rules are reported to design so-called druggable molecular structures. There are a lot of things to consider. Given high pressure they face to achieve better outcome with less and less time, it should be a tough work. In addition, the quality of analysis depends on quality of training datasets. It is tedious to keep the training datasets updated because new data are reported every day. Transformer 2 is a solution to answer these challenges. I will briefly explain typical workflow of Transformer 2. The main target of this tool is medicinal chemist, so the UI is designed to be very simple. The users can select activity value and draw certain chemical structures on the drawing tools. We incorporated the great tool Marvin.js, so it should be very easy to draw structures of your interest. And then the result of the MMP analysis appears, and it is visualized in an easily understandable manner. The result is shown in a table format, so users can filter or sort the result to get insight out of it. And here, the transformation rule is generated by public datasets, the chemical activity datasets, in-house datasets, and several others like bioisosteric rule and EMIL. It also uses Payne's rule in order to eliminate unfavorable transformation rules. This knowledge base can be customized according to your need. Let's take a closer look on the result table. The Transformer 2 does not only suggest transformed structures in each row, but tells evidence of data behind the transformation rule. This red, yellow, and blue ratio chart tells the value change in the original test results. Between matched molecular pairs, if a test resulted in a higher activity value after a transformation, then it is counted as 1 in red. In the case of similar value, it is yellow, and less value is blue. Of course, these criteria can be adjusted by user. Simply speaking, if a certain tendency of activity value shows dominantly red, then we can say that transformation rule probably changes activity value in an increasing direction. In the case of dominantly blue, it is high chance that changes goes in decreasing direction. In addition to this kind of tendency, the number of data sets is also shown. So if a transformation rule is generated out of 100 test results, we can say that that transformation rule is more reliable than the one with 10 test results. Together with the statistics of experimental result, the predicted value of physical properties such as log p, and solubility value are visualized in this kind of ladder chart and compared with the value of original structures. Based on these values, the results are scored and sorted, ranked, so that users can see which transformation rule is most probably results in preferred potency as a drug candidate. In each transformation rules, users can find details of original datasets. The result of matched molecular pair highly depends on the context of chemical transformation, such as chemotypes used, test details, and reliability of report itself. Here, this details view tells record summary of IC50 value of serotonin receptor antagonists. It tells structures of matched molecular pairs, and the data was reported in Journal of Medicinal Chemistry in 2008. The difference in IC50 value is around 10 nanomolar, and 2 samples are tested for this record. This kind of details is very valuable for medicinal chemists. They can see the original data and evaluate if the rules can be applicable for their project. I would like to emphasize that there is no black box between original datasets and analysis results, so traceability of data is ensured. Transformer 2 provides managed service for generating transformation rules. For example, if your in-house database contains structural information of this type of 2 molecules with values, this case it is a permeability value in CACO2 cell, then the Transformer 2 automatically recognizes matched molecular pairs, values, and generates the transformation rule. This automated workflow is supported by NIME. We also use standardizer and structure checker for cleaning datasets and making high-quality input. It is possible to set time schedule to update the transformation rules periodically. If you are interested in a certain property in the Cambridge database, then set the connecting information to the datasets and set filter option. When a new dataset is added to that database, the Cambridge database, then the Transformer 2 fetches the latest dataset and incorporates it into existing training datasets for generating rules. The system administrators are free from tedious managing work. As a summary, the Transformer 2 is a handy tool to bring MMP analysis in front of you. It achieves strategic use of in-house datasets that is often not efficiently used or used only by a limited number of computational chemists. This tool is designed for medicinal chemists, so the intuitive UI design and traceability of original datasets have been developed for them so that it gets easier to evaluate analysis results for designing compounds and planning synthesis. The managed system of knowledge base reduces cost for administration work. Just input datasets and set configuration. The rest is managed by the system. It is easy to use. As it will be obvious by the name, there was Transformer version 1 released a couple of years ago. Based on feedbacks and requests from existing Japanese customers, we improved UI and integrated new features. Due to time limitation, this time I only introduced basic features, but it has advanced features such as matched molecular series analysis. If you are interested in more details, please contact us. Thank you for listening.